Hello, this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of the candidate. My name is Suman and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 111156 named Joban Singh. Shall we start?
Yes.
What is your full name?
My full name is Joban Singh.
How may I call you?
You may call me Joban.
Let's talk about your hometown or village. What kind of place is it?
My hometown is a small town which is located in Ludhiana-Chandigarh highway, and all the facilities are available in my hometown.
What's the most interesting part of your town?
In my hometown there is a market, and there is a big market, and I like to spend most of time there, and many kind of shops are available there.
What kind of jobs do the people in your town do?
Well, the employment rate of my hometown is very good. Mostly people like to do their own business, and many kind of shops are available, and which is opened by my own villagers.
Would you say it's a good place to live?
Yes, I can say that my hometown is a good place for life because all the facilities are available, and all the people of my hometown are kind-hearted.
What kind of facilities are available in your town?
Like good healthcare centers and good education systems, and good parks, and the most important thing is there is a water park, and mostly people like to visit there in some locations.
Let's talk about tiredness. What kinds of things make you tired?
When I do a lot of work, I feel tired. I'm a farmer, so I do a lot of work in my farming place.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I take a break for half an hour or hour, and I get sleep on that time when I feel tired.
Whom do you usually talk to when you feel mentally tired?
I share my feelings with my friend, and he helped me in any kind of difficulty, and he helps me to far away from stress.
Do you like to talk to strangers when you feel mentally tired?
Yes, I like to talk with strangers when I mentally tired, and because they gave us good advice, and they helped us.
Can you tell me when was the last time with whom you talked with?
Last time I feel very sad, and I talked with my friend, and he helped me
Some
with the
stranger.
stranger. And last time I talked with my 403.
This is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here is your cue card with some questions. You will have a minute to look at the questions and you need to prepare for 2 minutes on the topic of card. If you wish, you can use this notepad and pencil to make some notes. Your topic is talk about a magazine article you read about healthy living or an online article about healthy living. Can we start? Okay.
I like to see articles, and here I would like to talk about an article which I recently read on social media. This article was about health, and it is written by Dr. Aminder, and he is a very famous writer, and he wrote many articles on health, and I have many health problems, so I like to read his articles, and he is a very famous guy in my state, and everyone like to read their articles. And I recently read this article about daily jogging, and he had advised to others that morning walk is very beneficial for us, and everyone should need to walk at morning time because it makes our body healthy and relaxed. And I follow his instructions very well, and I also do morning jogging and some yoga classes, which is yoga exercise, which I read from his article, and his article was very beneficial for me, and I gave this article to my friend that you should also want to read this, and they thanked me that you gave me this article, and it is an article which is very good and decently read.
Okay, so please answer this question. Now I will ask you some follow-up questions. Now let's talk about healthy living. What are the most popular ways of keeping healthy in your country?
Mostly people prefer jogging and do exercise in morning for maintain our health, because it is very beneficial for us to get up early and do some exercise.
Do you think most people worry more about their health as they get older?
Yes, mostly people are worried about their health, because health is everything for us. Without health we cannot live well.
Why do you think some people continue bad habits when they know that they are damaging to their health?
Because they like to do this kind of habits which affect on their health or affect on other way, because they became habitual, and they like to do this kind of activities.
Can you tell me something about this kind of habits?
Mostly people like to eat fast food, which is not beneficial for health, because it affects bad on our body, and doctors are also recommend that you should not need to eat fast food, because it is made with a very bad way.
How can children be motivated to adopt healthy eating habits?
Parents should need to advise them to eat homemade food, because it is prepared with a very hygienic way, and it is beneficial for our health.
How?
Because it made with a very hygienic way and prepared with a sufficient way.
Do you think people have become more health conscious in recent years as compared to past?
As compared to past, in the past days, people are more health conscious because they eat organic food. And nowadays, mostly people like to eat fast food because of their busy schedule, and it is not beneficial for us. And nowadays, people are less health conscious.
Why people like to junk food?
People like to eat junk food because they have a hectic schedule. They have no time to prepare food at home, and they like to eat fast food because it is cheaper and prepare in few minutes.
Thank you. This is the end of your speaking. Thank you so much.
Thank you.